Hey everybody, Steve the Other Chopstick Guy with your small bite for today. Summertime is upon us. We finally got rid of that bad weather and we can actually go out and start taking some great pictures outdoors. But with that comes two things, that summer sun and the bugs. So we're going to be talking a little bit about sunscreen and bug spray. Now, sunscreen on the body, good. Bug spray on the body could be good because it keeps you from attracting those bugs. But sunscreen and bug spray on the camera, bad. So what am I talking about? Let me tell you, this stuff deteriorates the camera rubber immediately upon contact. It eats right down to the glue and loosens every single rubber piece. So if you have any sunscreen or bug spray or bug wipes on the palms of your hands and you go to grip your camera, that stuff eats right through that rubber, and you'll find, like I found on 2 different trips, that you come home with a naked camera. That's right, all the rubber has peeled off, loosened, and it's gone. So you want to make sure that during that time that you're using sunscreen and bug spray, thoroughly wash your hands after applying it and make sure that your palms of your hands are free of any of those chemicals. With that, you'll still save your rubber all throughout summer. Well, this was Steve, the Other Chopstick Guy with your small bite for today.